Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT, PGT English Literature and other English Literature associated exams as a practice set 31. So let's start. Question number 1. Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice was produced in 1597, 1598, 1599, 1596. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1596. Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice was produced in 1596. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. One of the best plays, The Tempest, is the last of Shakespeare's plays. He was inspired to write it by which incident? Sinking of a ship, the defeat of Armada, return of the sailors of a ship that has disappeared, none of the above. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be return of the sailors of a ship that has disappeared. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. The idea of writing play The Tempest came to Shakespeare by the arrival of some sailors safely home who were thought dead after being shipwrecked. Next question. Recollect Romeo and Juliet and state the meaning of my life is my foe's depths. What will be correct answer? That he had to marry someone from whose father he had taken a loan, that someone was trying to kill him, that he loved Juliet, who was the daughter of the enemy of his family, none of the above. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be that he loved Juliet, who was the daughter of the enemy of his family. Option C will be the right answer. In Act Scene 5th of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, Romeo says the above lines when he comes to know that Juliet is a Capulet. Romeo means to say that his love Juliet is the daughter of the enemy of his family, Montagu, who will kill him if he shows love for her. Next question. The fault, dear Brutus, is not in our stars, but in ourselves that we are underlings. Cassius made this remark before Brutus because he loves Brutus and wanted to see him on the top. He hates Brutus and wanted to kill him. He hates Caesar and wanted to kill him. He was jealous of growing power of Caesar and wanted to incite him against Caesar. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Cassius made this remark before Brutus because he was jealous of growing power of Caesar and wanted to incite him against Caesar. So the option D will be the right answer. This extract has been taken from Act 1st Scene 2, line 141 of Shakespeare's Julius Caesar, in which Cassius, being jealous of Caesar's growing power, is trying to pursue and encourage Brutus to kill Caesar. Next question. The writer of Carolinus is Christopher Marlowe, P.B. Shelley, William Shakespeare, John Milton. What will be correct answer? The writer of Carolinus is William Shakespeare. Option C will be the right answer. Carolinus 1609 is authored by William Shakespeare 1564 1616. Next question. Cowards die many times before their deaths. The valiant never taste of death but once. These lines have been taken from The Tempest, Julius Caesar, The Merchant, Othello. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Julius Caesar. These lines have been taken from Julius Caesar. The above lines are spoken by Julius Caesar to California, Act 2, Scene 2. In Shakespeare's Julius Caesar. Next question. Shakespeare was born in 1564, 1464, 1664, 1364. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Shakespeare was born in 1564. Option A will be the right answer. Shakespeare was born in 1564 in Stratford-on-Avon, Warwickshire, England. Next question. Maigwech sees the ghost of Banquo, Duncan, Plago, Hamlet. What will be correct answer? Maigwech sees the ghost of Banquo. Option A will be the right answer. Maigwech sees the ghost of Banquo at the royal feast, occupying his seat with blood pouring from his wounds, which unsettles him. Next question. Who is the heroine of Shakespeare's The Tempest? Portia, Nerissa, Desdemona, Miranda. What will be correct answer? Portia and Nerissa, The Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice. And Desdemona, Othello. And Miranda, The Tempest. So the answer will be option D, Miranda. The heroine in Shakespeare The Tempest 1612 is Prospero's daughter Miranda. Portia and Nerissa, the merchant of Venice. Desdemona, Othello. Next question. Who states these words for Shakespeare? Saul of the Ace. The applause, the delight, the wonder of our stage. Matthew Arnold, T.S. Eliot, Ben Jonson, T. Eagleton. What will be correct answer? The above lines have been said for Shakespeare by Ben Jonson. So the answer will be option C, Ben Jonson. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 10 questions. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.